What if the moment you feel most trapped is the moment you could feel most free? Close your eyes for a second and imagine you're Lena, a nurse working a double shift. Your patients are demanding, your boss is breathing down your neck, and deep down, you're wondering if you're even cut out for this. The stress is suffocating and all you want is to escape. But what if right there in that chaos you could find a way to stand tall, breathe easy, and feel stronger than ever? Not by running from the pressure, but by mastering it with a stoic mindset that turns life's toughest moments into your greatest victories. Welcome to Stoicism Exercises. Number 5, brought to you by Stoic Reign, where Stoicism for beginners becomes a practical, life-changing toolkit to build clarity, resilience, and unshakable peace. Stoic philosophy isn't just for ancient thinkers in togas. It's a real-world guide for tackling everyday struggles, from work overload to personal doubts. These Stoic exercises help you reduce anxiety, boost self-improvement, and stay grounded in mindfulness. Whether you're navigating Stoic relationships, diving into Stoicism on love, or just starting your Stoic journey, these lessons are designed to grab you, inspire you, and put you in control. Let's jump into 10 powerful Stoic exercises that make daily Stoic habits your reality, starting with 2 people who faced their breaking points and came out stronger. Real-life Stoics. Meet Lena and Malik. Lena, a 40-year-old nurse, used to feel like her job was swallowing her whole. Between patient emergencies and long hours, she was burned out, snapping at her family and doubting herself. Then she discovered Stoic exercises like the mind reset. Now, she stays calm during crises, connects better with her kids, and feels like she's actually making a difference. Stoicism gave her strength she didn't know she had. Malik, a 32-year-old freelance graphic designer, was drowning in client rejections and money worries. Every no felt like proof he wasn't good enough. The Purpose Spark exercise helped him turn setbacks into fuel for growth. He's now landing bigger projects, mentoring new designers, and living with confidence. Stoicism became his lifeline. Lena and Malik show that Stoic philosophy is for anyone ready to transform chaos into opportunity. Here are the exercises that changed their lives and can change yours. Start right with the Morning Shield Stoic. Quote, begin each day by telling yourself, today I shall meet with interference, ingratitude, insolence. Marcus Aurelius sets the vibe. What it is: a quick morning ritual to armor up for challenges, perfect for Stoicism for beginners. How to do it. Before you check your phone, grab a notebook. Write, what could throw me off today? List 2 or 3. Things like a stressful meeting or a family spat. Then write, how will I handle it? Pick responses like staying calm or letting go. Say it out loud. Lena used this to brace for chaotic shifts, keeping her cool. Log it daily in a Stoic journal. Why it works. This Stoic exercise builds mental strength, protecting your peace and igniting Stoic motivation. Focus fast with the control, snap Stoic. Quote, some things are up to us and some things are not. Epictetus keeps it real. What it is: a quick check to zero in on what you can control, cutting stress. How to do it. When stress spikes like a missed deadline, pause. Ask, can I control this? If yes, act like revising your work. If no, let die. It go like a client's bad mood. Write, I control my effort, not their opinion. Malik used this when a client rejected his design, focusing on his next pitch. Log it daily. Try it in Stoic relationships to avoid pointless drama. Why it works. This daily Stoic practice stops overthinking, boosting productivity and mindfulness. Reset. With the Mind Reset Stoic quote, no man is free who is not master of himself. Epictetus hits hard. What it is. A fast tool to find calm when emotions are raging. How to do it. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, repeat 3 times. Say softly, I'm steady, I'm clear. Use it before tough moments, like Lena did before a patient emergency. Log each use. Perfect for anyone needing quick Stoic habits. Why it works. This Stoic exercise anchors you in the moment, strengthening mental health and your Stoic mindset. Uncover triggers with the mood. Tracker Stoic quote, "It's not things that upset us but our judgments about them." Epictetus drops truth. What it is. A journal to spot what's triggering your emotions. How to do it. Each night, write down 3 moments that got you riled up, like a coworker's snide remark. Answer, what happened? What did I feel? What's the story I'm telling myself? Example, their comment bugged me because I feel disrespected. Reframe, their words don't define me. Lena used this to stay calm with demanding patience. Log it daily. Great for Stoic relationships needing clarity. Why it works. This Stoic practice makes you wiser, not reactive, powering up self-improvement. Choose wisely with the calm snap Stoic quote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Marcus Aurelius with the wisdom, what it is. A pause to pick your response, building Stoic Reign. How to do it. When triggered, like by a nasty text, count to 3 in your head. Breathe. Ask, is this worth my energy? Does it match my values? Choose silence or a calm reply. Malik used this when a client criticized his work, staying professional. Log it daily. Use it in Stoicism on love to stay grounded with a partner. Why it works. This Stoic exercise boosts mental health and earns respect effortlessly. Guard peace with core rule Stoic, quote, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." Epictetus keeps it simple. What it is. Clear rules to protect your time and energy. How to do it. Write 3 core rules, like, I don't argue over text, I talk in person. I save 30 minutes daily for mindfulness. I don't justify myself to negativity. Stick to them. Lena told a pushy coworker, "I'll get back to you tomorrow." Log it daily. Key for Stoic habits in hectic lives. Why it works. This Stoic practice ramps up productivity and your Stoic mindset, radiating strength. Reframe. Stress with the strength vow Stoic. Quote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Seneca's got it. What it is. A morning pledge to see stress as growth. How to do it. Write, who do I want to be today? Example, I'll be steady and kind, no matter what. Say it out loud. When stress hits, like a work mistake, write, this is teaching me. What's the lesson? Malik reframed a client rejection as a chance to improve. Log it daily. Use in Stoic relationships for family tension. Why it works. This Stoic exercise aligns your actions with values, fueling Stoic motivation. Find purpose with the purpose spark Stoic quote. When someone does wrong, it's because they are mistaken about what is good. Epictetus with insight. What it is. A way to turn pain into purpose. How to do it. When hurt, like by a friend's betrayal, write, how can this fuel my purpose? Example. This teaches me to value loyalty, so I'll build stronger bonds. Act. Like calling a true friend. Malik used this after a project flop, creating better designs. Log it daily. Vital for Stoicism on love. Why it works. This Stoic practice builds resilience, enhancing mental health and connections. Reflect deeply with the clarity pause Stoic. Quote, let each thing you would do, say, or intend be like that of a dying person. Marcus Aurelius brings perspective. What it is. A weekly reflection to understand yourself better. How to do it. Every Sunday, take 10 minutes to ask, what drove my reactions this week? What helped me grow? Write one insight like, I snapped from stress. I'll practice patience. Daily, meditate 2 minutes. What's my truth today? Lena used this to balance work and family. Log it weekly. Ideal for Stoicism for beginners. Why? It works. This daily Stoic habit builds mindfulness, making you unstoppable. End strong with the gratitude glow Stoic. Quote, Think of what you have rather than of what you lack. Seneca's reminder. What it is: a nightly habit to focus on what's good. How to do it. Before bed, write 3 things you're grateful for, like a kind coworker, a warm meal, or making it through a tough day. Write, "This shows I have enough." Malik used this to shift from stress to peace after long workdays. Log it nightly. Great for mental health and Stoic practices. Why it works. This Stoic exercise rewires your mind for positivity, easing challenges. Why these Stoic exercises change everything. These 10 Stoic exercises are your roadmap to a Stoic mindset that thrives in life's chaos, from work stress to personal doubts. They reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and turn obstacles into opportunities. Whether you're new to Stoicism for beginners or deepening your Stoic practice, these lessons blend Stoic quotes with practical self-improvement for mindfulness and mental health. They're perfect for Stoic relationships, Stoicism on love, and anyone seeking daily Stoic habits that make you authentic and magnetic. Start with one Stoic exercise like the mind reset or mood tracker, and commit for a week. Track your progress in a journal. Your Stoic practices will build strength and earn respect naturally. These Stoic habits are your shield against stress, helping you live with purpose. Stoicism for your life. Stoicism isn't just for philosophers. It's for real people facing real struggles, like Lena saving lives or Malik chasing dreams. These Stoic exercises fit into any busy life, taking just minutes but delivering big results. They help you stay calm, focused, and resilient whether you're tackling work, family, or personal goals. For Stoic relationships, they foster patience. For Stoicism on love, they build clarity. And for self-improvement, they make you unstoppable. Why start today? Life's full of pressure, but Stoic philosophy teaches you to control your response, not the world. These Stoic exercises give you tools to handle anything, turning setbacks into stepping stones. Try one practice like the calm snap, and see how it shifts your day. Over time, your daily Stoic habits will create a Stoic mindset that's steady and strong, helping you live with peace and purpose. Your struggles don't define you. Your response does. These Stoic exercises are your path to a Stoic reign that conquers chaos with calm. If this lit a spark, comment, "I'm living like a Stoic." Share your favorite Stoic exercise, maybe the purpose spark or gratitude glow. Hit like, subscribe to Stoic Reign for more Stoic motivation, and share with someone ready for Stoic philosophy. True strength turns chaos into power. With these Stoic practices, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Let's make it real with Stoic Reign.